The number of children being infected with whooping cough is on the rise. Symptoms like sneezing and a runny nose can mimic allergies in the common cold, making whooping cough harder to diagnose. And many people aren't getting vaccinated, so your child could be at risk and catch whooping cough at places like summer camp. But in some cases, a vaccination isn't enough.
The vaccine will typically keep someone from developing illness, but it doesn't keep them from getting the infection in their nose and being capable of transmitting to others.
The health department now recommends that all pregnant women get the vaccination with every pregnancy. Infants are at the highest risk of being hospitalized or dying from whooping cough.